orchards to learn something cool. How to plant a seed. Farmer Will is a great farmer. He showed me how to do it in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Use a little shovel to dig a small hole in the soil. Step 2. Drop in 1 tiny seed. Just 1. Step 3. Gently cover the seed with soil like a cozy blanket. Step 4. Water it. Not too much, just enough to make the soil damp. Then Farmer Will told me to wait, give it love, and keep it watered. And guess what? That tiny seed will grow into something big. Thanks for watching Majbot and Friends with Farmer Will. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe.
Hello, friends and future partners.
I'm Majbot, and together with Miss Amazing 360, we create fun and educational videos with Majbot and Friends.
Our mission is to teach children essential skills like ABCs, numbers, safety, character building, manners, and so much more.
But we want to do even more, and that's where you come in.
We're inviting businesses and organizations like yours to partner with us. Let's create a powerful educational video or a series of videos that brings awareness to your cause or educational mission.
Together, we can make learning exciting and impactful while highlighting the work you do.
Visit allkidslearn.com to partner with us, donate to support free educational content, or explore our videos, free educational resources, and music downloads.
Let's inspire young minds, one video at a time.